Today we are going to work on our full moon yoga flow Chandra Namaskar. It's the Moon Salutation. I'm going to do it super slow so we can really absorb that moon energy and relax, unwind and feel more aligned. So you start on the right side of your mat in standing. And you can keep the feet hip wide apart. Bring the hands in front of your heart. Thumbs are touching your heart center. And close your eyes for a moment. Just breathe. Deep inhale. And long exhale out. Inhale. And exhale. Continue breathing while you set some beautiful intentions for this short moon practice. And then slowly open your eyes again. Drop your hands. Let's go. Inhale, uplift your arms, come on your tiptoes. Close the hands, sink down with the heels and come to the inside, lean inside. Inhale up, exhale to the other side. Come back. Now open your legs wide, step wide, sit down and bring your hands into like thumbs and fingertips touching. This is the goddess pose to honor the goddess Kali. And I felt like these pants are perfect for this pose. So just stand here and breathe. And then you're going to turn the left foot so it's pointing in this direction, and you turn the right foot to be straight. And then lean towards that left foot and come into a triangle pose. Wherever it stops, stay there. If you can touch the floor. Just hold and breathe. Bring that top arm down, lean over this stretched leg. Then drop the back knee on the mat. Drop it here and lift. Okay, bring the hands down. Now you want to sit like low with your hip and bring the toes towards you and try to bring the heel down from the left foot. If this is too intense, you can stay up here. Yeah, then just stay here. But you can lift the heels up if this is easier for you. Just stay and breathe. Okay, now we're going to come to the other side. You can use your hands for support. Enjoy and breathe. Calm your mind. Then turn to the other side, drop the knee And come into this low lunge. Hands down. Stand up, come into the forward stretch. Open into Trikonasana. And come up into Goddess pose. Then step back to the left side. Lean to the inside, to the outside. And then come up on your tiptoes. And stand still. Hands in front of your heart. Close your eyes again. Breathe. That was half a cycle. I mean, it was a kind of a full cycle, but just one way. Now we're gonna do the same thing back. Inhale up on the toes. Close your hands, lean inward. Come back up, lean to the outside. And then step into Goddess pose. Sit low, thumbs and index finger touching. Stay, breathe, sit low. Okay, come into triangle in this direction. Trikonasana. Look up or look down. Fold over the leg. Stretch. Come on the knee. Lift the arms. And now your choice to either sit low or sit a little bit higher. I really love this Chandra Namaskar very much. I find it super calming and relaxing. Change. Breathe. And maybe let me know below where you are tuning in from, what country, what city. I would like to know. And turn, come into the low lunge, lift your arms. Come into the forward fold. Open up to Trikonasana. And come up into Goddess pose. Unleash the inner goddess. Oh, breathe. Trikonasana to the other side. Fold over the leg. Drop the back knee, low lunge, lift the arms, sink low with your hip. Come down. Come to the other side. I have the feeling I messed up the routine. I really feel like I'm a bit lost right now. I think I'm just going to continue, and we enjoy this. We will make it to the beginning of the mat eventually. Ah. Forward fold. Open to triangle pose. Come into goddess pose. And now step to the right end of your mat. Lean to the inside of the mat. Outside. Back in. Come on your tiptoes. Close your hands. Pause here. Front of your heart. Close your eyes. Breathe. Let's do this again. Let's try to do this with a breath. So one movement per breath. Are you ready? Not sure if I am. Okay. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the inhale. Exhale, step open. Sink low. Here we can stay for a breath. And then we move into Trikonasana. From here, fold. Sink low. Lift the arms. Then transition into rainbow pose. To the other side. Into low lunge. Into forward fold. Into Trikonasana. And from here into Goddess. Step into the left side. Lean. Right. Left. And up on your toes. And hands in front of your heart. Good. Let's do this again. Back to the other side. Lift. Lean. Goddess. Trikonasana. Fold. On your knee, come up. Rainbow pose. And to the other side. Transition to low lunge. Into forward fold. Trikonasana. Goddess. Step in. Lean. On your tiptoes. Hands in front of your heart. Close your eyes. Breathe. Thanks so much, and you're doing great. Namaste.